these two topics.
Right, basically. Good. Okay, she asked something. You remember the question? Can anyone repeat the question and answer? First question, what she asked?
Only the question.
First, you tell your name.
So I'm Christina. I have a master's in physics. So the question which Suchitra ma'am put forth was, why does winding the screw in an opposite direction or the elastic in an opposite direction make it
If
push?
you do opposite direction, then it goes forward. But if you do forward direction, it goes backward.
Yes.
Why? Right?
Why? It's the question that she asked.
What's your name?
I'm Christina.
Okay. Which classes you teaching?
6 and 7, sir. PBL.
You want to answer this or someone else?
No, I just wanted to add an additional point.
Okay.
I also, one thing I noticed was when Santosh sir came and helped our team, one thing was
Here's the change of frequency.
Sound is changing, he's increasing, something like that.
Can you hear change of sound?
Yes.
So that is Dr. Sim. When a car comes making a sound, zoom, I have, my 12 was very bad. So I could not get biology pass course also first 3 months. I studied geology, geography, statistics. So that time I understood clear to learn is great. And I have done fossil one video. Yeah,
Logic, yes. So I teach maths and PBL here. It's been only 1 year I have joined.
So rocks to them. You should get
We
coming rocks.
are coming to that point, sir. In our PBL inquiry, we are doing actually the eco-friendly businesses, so that is in the past.
More basic rocks type. And it's available around.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, carry on. Sorry.
Yes,
What's your name, you said?
Swati.
Yeah,
So
carry on.
according to me, what is science? Science is art of learning, I would say. Because we
Yes.
Okay, what?
Sir, as I feel I can also include in SST as an environment if I want to create a value for the nature around or the environment as my SDG goal. Maybe
SDG form.
sustainable development goal.
Yes.
So these children are learning in every subject.
So how will you do that?
Suppose, sir, I have many such props and I make them draw whatever, suppose a lion in a cage and a lion in a den.
Okay.
So the lion in the den I have to derive from them.
Okay. Conserve.
That's all.